this is my channel. I am so excited because today I'm opening my quarterly box of Facetory Luxe box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content of my video, and tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So, as I said, Facetory Luxe box is a quarterly subscription box of Korean beauty products. And I just love this box. We all know we need to pay attention to our skin, and I have seen improvements from the products that I have used from this box. It is $49.90, $5.99, I believe. Of course, I will leave all the details below, as I always do. And they do have a monthly mask box. I don't get that because although I do love my masks, I get so many in all my other subscriptions. And then they put their masks on sale and special, so it is a fun subscription to get. So let's get into it. They put the nice little cover on there, and they have a fun little box. And they have a booklet with all the products in here, and I believe on the products itself it might be in Korean and it is in English on here, so I can't go over everything that's in the box. And there is probably about 7 to 8 items in the luxury box, so it is really nice. And the first thing, I don't know if I can pronounce them, is Huingsu, and it's a pure perfect cleansing oil. Jojoba oil 27%, olive oil 19%, natural and organic. And this is 6.1 fluid ounces. And this looks like a huge size. It does have a pump. I hope you all had a great weekend. I'm filming this on a Monday, so I'm hoping to get it posted. I'm so far behind in my videos, so please forgive me. Oh my God, look at this bottle. Don't know if there's a clear on there. There's writing on it. I can definitely smell it. So I will definitely give this one a try. And let me see if I can find it in the booklet. And it says Skincare 101, all about double cleansing. So that's nice. And it has the Pure Perfect Cleansing Oil, why we love it, key ingredients, and this MSRP's for $32. After pumping the appropriate amount on dry hands, gently massage your dry face. Wet your hands slightly and gently massage your skin to melt off remaining makeup dust and grime. Rinse with lukewarm water and follow up with a water-based cleanser. So it sounds like you use this first and then a cleanser. So that's nice to know. This is the perfect cleansing oil for all skin types. It also works great for our team members with sensitive skin. So wow, so that is their double cleansing. So I did not know that. So since I didn't know that, I'm gonna try this tonight before I do my regular cleansing. The next thing in the box is Barrierderm Intensive Cream. Dryness is gone. Barrierderm is here. This is the box. So again, a nice size. So this is the tube. And I probably has a little tinfoil thing on there. It does, so I won't be able to smell it. But let's find out what it does. Of course, it's probably the last page. Okay, this Korean cult fave is a must-have for colder months. It contains flaxseed ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and other various oils to keep the skin moisturized against harsh cold winds. Why we love it: when applied to our skin, we immediately feel moisturized. And directions: after cleansing and toning, gently apply the moisturizer all over the face and pat it in. People with oily skin types may feel like the cream is too thick for them. Apply a small amount to the skin in the beginning and test which amount works best for your skin. And this MSRP is for $35. And of course, there's more information in the booklet if this is a box or something that you like to get. I also know that if you go to their website and check these products out, it will give you all that same information before you purchase the product. So I'm thinking this might replace your moisturizer. The next thing in the box, these products are like a nice size, is the Oats Calming Glow. Blah, blah, blah. It's a weightless facial oil. So I wonder when we use this. And of course, struggle. And their packaging and their products is always so beautiful. And this is no exception. This is what it looks like. And it says it's weightless. So that's the consistency. It smells like clean, like spa clean, when you go to a spa. So I'm liking that. And let's check this product out. Don't know if I passed it in my little book. Oh, here it is. This facial oil combines oats and rice water to create an essence-like texture that gives the skin a radiant and flawless look. We love facial oils, and this one is definitely a top favorite. Use 3 to 5 droplets and apply evenly to face before or after moisturizer. You can also mix with moisturizer of choice to boost hydration. So you could mix it with this, you can use it after this or before this. And this retails it doesn't say. Oh, I'm sorry. MSRP is for $24.95, and it's best for oily combination, dry, aging, acne prone. Its skin concerns are redness, itchiness, acne, and dullness. It's calming, repairing, brightening, and anti-aging. So again, a nice product. Then we have Purgen EGF In Vivo Repair Serum. And just the name alone, repair, sounds good. So if you're looking for a great skincare only box, I definitely recommend this one. Again, it comes quarterly, so it gives you a chance to use all the products. And oh my goodness, look at that packaging. That is beautiful. And back to my little book. This is the Puregen EGF In Vivo Repair Serum. Why we love it. Stands for epidermal growth factor. It's an ingredient that contains 53 different peptides that help with cell growth. It's kind of getting dark in here, so my face is in the book. And it's for a more youthful complexion. So it is safe to say that this lightweight serum certainly packs a punch. And did you know putting on functional serums or products are most effective at night? The skin automatically repairs itself and is at its peak maintenance from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. So make sure to apply your skincare routine before then. And most importantly, don't forget that a good night's sleep is also extremely vital for a glowing complexion. After cleansing and toning, apply 3 to 5 drops onto fingertips. Gently pat the serum and follow up with a moisturizer and or facial oil. And this MSRP's for $60. So that is very nice. So far we have like a complete day and nighttime skincare routine. And put this guy away. And we have this huge item. And this is a Serum Rose Flower Water. I'm losing my sunlight. Wow. This is, I can't read. Coconut Origin Cleansing Agent. So let's find out about this. I don't know if I passed it. I bet you it smells delicious. Okay. Okay, Essential Herb Bulgarian Rose Foam Cleanser. Did I not read the word cleanser? I'm getting old, guys, sorry. This says water. Oh, it's a cleansing agent. So this is the cleanser. So this is part of our 2-part cleanser. The moment we dispense this product onto our palms, it produced a creamy foam that felt so bouncy on our faces. And after removing makeup, so we must use that other product first, that oil product first, and then after removing makeup, pump out a moderate amount of cleanser and massage it over your damp face. Rinse off and pat dry. And this MSRP is for $16. So it isn't a high price cleanser, but I bet you, again, it smells totally awesome. So you probably use this. Where's my other bottle? Probably use this and this together. Okay, I'm liking this routine. There's a couple more products in here, and you know they're my favorites. We have I'm sorry for my skin. It's a jelly mask. Ooh, and I can feel it's kind of jelly. Let me find it. Okay, where's my jelly? I can't find my jelly mask. Oh, found my jelly mask. I'm sorry for my skin pH 5.5 jelly mask. And you cleanse your face, apply the mask, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, gently remove the mask, massage the package to ensure the jelly essence is completely infused, and this retails for $4. The next is a golden chip acupoint mask. Oh, it's got little acupoints on there. And the golden chip acupoint mask retails for $3.99, and you stimulate acupressure points by pressing 2 to 3 times, and it looks almost like it turns black and it's got the little points on there, so that's kind of neat. And then we have the beautiful Factor peptide blanket re-aging mask, and no lies guys, better skin mask, and a deep focus mask. So I think they all retail for about the same price, about $4. Oh, one's $5. So let's recap. This was an amazing box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 masks. We have the 2 cleansers. One's a cleanser and one's the cleansing oil. And then we have the Oats Glow and the repair serum that we can use at night, and our moisturizer. And again, this box was $49.99. It comes every quarter. I think it's so well worth it. I can't wait to dig into it. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of it. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.